How to use your iPhone 14 Pro's camera. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I'll give you a couple of tips on how you can use iPhone 14 Pro's camera, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the 14 Pro's camera compared to other iOS versions is not basically so much difference. The only thing that they've added is a larger number of megapixels, which is of course 48 megapixels, and then there's also the new action mode or the cinematic mode, right? So basically whenever you're on cinematic mode, it's going to lock some kind of editing features. And now you have to understand that you can also record cinematic mode in 60 fps, because you can see at the top you can select your fps and then you can select HD and so on. So you can go ahead and change the fps by selecting 24 or 30, or you can just set the resolution. The other thing you have is your video, which can be of course recorded in 60 fps again, and then you can go ahead and change that, and you can choose the resolution accordingly as well if you'd like. Similarly, if you want photos and if you want portraits, better to take a portrait shots and so on, you should be able to see all these filters and then use them accordingly in that way. And then you also have the pano mode, which is a panorama. And other than that, you also have some of its settings. If you go to the settings application over here and then you simply go to the option called camera, so let me go ahead and then simply look for the camera app here and then just tap on it, and then here you should be able to see all of the formats. So if you want to record stereo sound, you can turn on that. If you want to preserve settings such as camera mode, creative controls and so on, everything else is basically over here. You can also come back, you can turn on live photo or turn off live photo, you can scan QR codes if you want to, or you can also just turn off that option. Whatever else you think is convenient for you, you can simply come to its camera settings and then record that manually. So that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually use your iPhone 14 Pro's camera. But keep in mind, this is all just personal basis. It all really depends upon you at the end of the day. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.